As we approach the Galaxy S24's debut in early January 2024, speculation surrounding Samsung's choice of system-on-chip has been rife. Conflicting leaks have hinted that the tech giant might either stick with Snapdragon chips for its 2024 flagship devices or introduce its own Exynos chip into the lineup. Ultimately, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has opted for Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while other models outside the US are equipped with the Exynos 2400. Now there are intriguing yet mixed updates regarding the forthcoming Galaxy S25 series. A similar narrative is emerging for the Samsung Galaxy S25, as a recent leak suggests the entire lineup may fully embrace Snapdragon. According to a report from the Korean outlet Hankyeom, which cites industry insiders, Samsung plans to exclusively feature Qualcomm's next-generation flagship Snapdragon chipset in the Galaxy S25. The company aims to enhance the Galaxy S25's AI capabilities, leading to a collaboration with Qualcomm on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chipsets, specifically designed for the Galaxy S25. The report also indicates that this specialized Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chip is currently under development, particularly tailored for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This implies that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus may receive standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chips, marking a significant shift from Samsung's usual approach of utilizing overclocked Snapdragon for Galaxy variants in all Snapdragon-equipped Galaxy S smartphones. Samsung appears to be concentrating on enhancing both the yield and performance of the Exynos 2500 chip, which was initially anticipated to feature in some Galaxy S25 models. Additionally, reports suggest that Samsung is considering incorporating the Exynos 2500 into the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7, set to debut in the latter half of 2025. Notably, Samsung has never utilized an Exynos chip in its foldable devices. Earlier this year, there were incorrect claims that the Exynos 2400 would be included in the Galaxy Z Flip 6, but the device ultimately launched with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Therefore, it's wise not to expect an Exynos-powered foldable phone in 2025. Now the question arises, would you be willing to pay a premium for a Snapdragon Galaxy S25? A Galaxy S25 series that relies solely on Snapdragon chips could present challenges beyond just performance, battery life, and features. Qualcomm has indicated that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which is expected to power high-end devices in 2025, will come at a higher price point than the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This could negatively impact the pricing of the Galaxy S25 series if it exclusively uses Snapdragon processors. With the launch of the Galaxy S25 series still a few months away, we can expect to see more conflicting rumors regarding Samsung's choice of system-on-chip in the weeks ahead. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you all in the next update. Until then, take care.